You ever thought about getting solar panels? Didn't have any money? Here's one for $14.99. Good morning. Welcome to the Adventures of Frank and Tina on this Sunday morning. And like I've said several times, we're grandparents raising grandchildren. We try to entertain you, try to be funny, but we also do a lot of reviews on stuff too. So today we've got a review on something that we bought during these times that you may need in case of emergency. It's a little solar battery charger, basically for your car or for whatever you need just in case of an emergency. So anyway, I picked it up at Harbor Freight. Anyway, this is a Thunderbolt solar 1.5 watt solar battery charger, which is for 12 volt DC batteries. And it can be used, it has that DC battery adapter that is used to go straight to a battery. What we've got a little lawnmower battery that we can pack out in case we need to get somewhere camping or whatever. We've got an inverter that we can plug in. Okay, this is my power converter or an inverter. Anyway, I picked this up from Home Depot. It was about 40 or 50 bucks, somewhere around there. Been a little less. Anyway, there's your 110 power. You turn it on and off. There's your USB port. Here's how it plugs into your car. You can plug it into your car and your cigarette lighter, and that'll give you 110 power out of it, where you can plug in cell phone charger like that, or you can plug the USB port straight into it. But anyway, if I want to run off a lawnmower battery, what I'll do is take those two adapters right there and tighten those two screws up to those two, and I'll have my alligator clips to where I can just hook it to a battery, the two terminals on a battery, and then I've got 110 power right there. Pretty simple source, just a little lawnmower battery will work, anything 12 volt. 110 power, so we can use that if necessary. We're not going to be, trying to blow leaves with it or use an electric chainsaw with it or stuff like that. But we can use it to charge our batteries. We can use that one battery to charge our batteries and let this battery charger charge that one slowly. Another thing it's for is if you've got to leave your car out for not cranking it for a while, you can put this in and plug in that cigarette lighter, and it will keep your battery up. It's only a 1.5 watt trickle charger. Okay, I'm a licensed electrician, so I understand what that means. I understand exactly how much power this is supplying. This is supplying almost zero power, but it's going to accumulate a charge over time on your battery. So it will, it will bring it up once a day, enough to charge cell phones, stuff like that. But it's not going to, you're not going to be able to just run it down and then recharge it, run it down and recharge it. That's not what it is. You need a bigger system to do stuff like that. But for a camping situation, an emergency situation, it's a good thing to have. It's better than nothing. And it's $14.99 or something like that at Harbor Freight. So it's a really good deal. Here's the paperwork on it. Okay. Tells you everything you need to know. And you got 4 of these little suction cups here that go onto the back that'll hold it into the window of your car. And you got, well, let me get through this. You've got this piece right here, which that's where you can put it under your lawnmower battery, directly onto your battery. Plugs in right there. This piece here is to where you can plug that directly into your cigarette lighter of your car. Put this thing put the solar panel with those thingies right here onto the back. See, they just snap right into the back right there. And this thing will actually mount into the window of your car. And that way you can keep it charging. But this plugs into this or to this, depending on which one you need. It's a good little deal for an emergency situation, which is what we're using it for. We're using it for in case we have to backpack out of somewhere to put in a bug-out bag just to keep us some kind of power. We like it better than the little bitty ones that just power a cell phone battery, because we can actually use the little battery that we're going to carry with us to power an inverter that we're carrying with us. So it gives us a little bit of power generation just in case we need it. But Anyway, that's it, and I do appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.